Good morning, everybody. It is 10:21. I am on my way to go get 50 bales of Pinestraw. Doing a small little Pinestraw job today. It's kind of hard to find this person because our local Pinestraw dealer went out of business. Don't know what the heck is going on, but here in Georgia, in my area, everybody that does Pinestraw is just not doing it this year for some reason. We were on our way to a dealer, and then we saw a sign saying, you know, long needle for sale, which is perfect. Had to go to the bank real quick because they only accept cash, and we are on our way right now. I'll show y'all how we install Pinestraw. A lot of people don't like Pinestraw. Nah, it's what works down here. Just left the Pinestraw place, new spot that we found just driving down the road. It's a really good quality. We got long needle. I think we're gonna start getting all our Pinestraw from them. A little bit more expensive than what we're used to, but hey, we gotta pay for quality, right? It's $4.25 a bale of long needle. But it's, yeah, we usually get it for $3.50. But it's really good quality for this time. You know, Pinestraw is actually like seasonal. So to get it this nice and in August is actually really surprising. And I'm actually really happy. So, you know, paying $4.25 isn't that big of a deal. That just means we have to up our price on our Pinestraw. We charge $6.50 to throw our Pinestraw. Yep, I'm gonna do a small little job. Let's see, small little job by where we live. And go from there. After 15 minutes of bringing up, and this is how it looks. This is the way we like throwing Pinestraw. We like bringing all the Pinestraw to the backyard or wherever you're gonna place it. Set it out, spread it out, you know, have it set, a little spread out, so that when you're throwing Pinestraw, all the Pinestraw is already there. You don't have to keep going back and forth to the truck. It's spaced out so you're not, you know, on top of a bale. You have enough space to work. And this is actually how I check how much Pinestraw I need for a job too. If you can tell right here, look, that's one. Tell right there, two. Actually worked up a method And this is actually how I check how many bales of pine straw I need for a job. Yep, this is how we throw pine straw here in Georgia. Let's get it. Just finished throwing all the pine straw. Guys, a quick tip. Put all the strings on your person so you don't have to pick them up later. Makes work a lot faster, easier, more efficient. All we gotta do is just blow it off and we're done. couple houses down from where I did the Pinestraw. Also did this sod job. Did this sod job probably about a month ago. It's taking really nice. Added those 2 flower beds. Also, sorry, I'm inside my truck. Installed sod on the side. Let me move a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Installed sod all along that side. Oof. See, that's why you got to do really good quality work so you can get recommended. All in the same neighborhood. Installed that sod right there. Man, it looks nice. There's still water in it. That's really good. A little patchy here and there, but just because of the sun, the drought we've been having. But they're doing a really good job taking care of it. Hey you guys, that's it for today. Please remember to give this video a like, subscribe to it, and see you in the next one. Peace.